What does that number 0.71 refer to?
That much percent of all the gold exported from Australia was by India.
Perfect.
So China is 4.73%. But I don't get it then. China is only 4.73%. India is 0.71. Who has all the gold? Because
Like
here there is
America.
0.25 in Canada. America has 20%. Who has the rest? Oh wow, you guys 46%. That's crazy.
That is crazy. So in Asia, China is how much? It's the largest, right?
I
4.73, which is significantly more than India. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's forget about the other countries for now within Asia. And let's just look literally from 2018, 19, 20, 21. How did China's share change? And then like let's also see which countries in
So
Europe.
should we look at the value? Sorry, yeah.
I think we should look
Please
at percentage share.
percentage, got it. So let's start
Yeah.
at the very bottom, 2018. So 30%. Oh my god.
Oh my God. Wow. Look at the wow, that's a huge dip.
That's a huge curve. Like wow. And UK had 8%.
Oh my
Oh,
God, this is insane.
yeah, like how? How does it wait if UK is this is 30 and this is 8, where's the rest of the gold go?
Look at Thailand.
Where is
Yeah.
oh US did 0.5%. Switzerland also had a good chunk.
How much?
Now
How much
let's
does
check
Switzerland have?
net for 3.61%.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and yeah, you were saying Thailand had 8.20%. Wow, Asia was dominating back then. Then we have 2019.
Wait, so China was 30% in 2018, right?
33%, so pretty still remains
Okay.
solid.
Right. Oh,
39%.
wait, so that's
Wow.
the year that it went up so much for the UK.
Yeah, the UK just skyrocketed over there.
Like between 18 to 19, it went crazy. But Aditya, isn't it like super weird that in 2019, there were only two countries that really dominated um imports of gold from Australia?
Yeah,
Like in no other year is Britain and China's numbers
so high, yeah. Yeah, then 2020, the big dip. What a difference though, like
huge difference.
46%, this
Oh
becomes
my.
4%, America gets 20%, and in 2019, America had literally gotten 0.33%, and then they buy 20%. Pretty crazy.
That is crazy.
Then 2021, 31%, wow, so they came back. India got 6.33%, and UK skyrocketed down to 7.2%. That's crazy. And
Check
US also went to
Switzerland.
5%.
Oh, let's also check Korea.
7.89. Korea has been pretty low. Oh, wait, no, that's Japan. Korea has gotten
Hmm.
6.50%. Korea has been pretty low throughout.
Yeah, but its rate of increase has been pretty sharp, right?
Yeah,
Like from how much was it in 2019?
0.46%.
Okay, so from 0.46 to 2021 May, it's gone to 6. That's a huge, that's like a 10x. No, sorry, it's 0.46 now. So it's like a like 15 times the
Yeah, it's a
trade
lot.
to, yeah, yeah. But actually, this is pretty significant, yeah, because like in 2021, Switzerland and Korea like together made up like 15%, which is like a big number.
Yeah, that's a lot of millions.